goes there!
Not now, Sid. Tape? Why is there tape?
Fans can't come past this point.
I'm not a fan.
Well, why are you dressed as Nova then, huh?
What? I am Nova.
She is pretty convincing. If we weren't such top security guards, she might have fooled us. Luckily, I just saw the real Nova go in.
She's not that convincing. There's something off. What is it?
It's her nose.
How dare you? Let me pass right now!
She got the voice spot on, though. Now, listen you. Run along. Don't make us use the Z3 defense matrix. Woohoo! We just stopped our first attempt at unauthorized entry. Go team! Go us! And I really need to go to the toilet. What's the new ship password?
Do you want to go aboard the real Jefferson spaceship?
Yes.
If so, make your way to the Nova Jones impersonation competition, happening now in Suite 43.
The impersonation competition! The prize for sounding like me is a trip to the Jefferson. If I win, I can get home. Yes!
Listen, Jimothy, I'm with my sister right now. And I can tell you, yes, she will provide the Diamante flippers. And an oxygen tank, thank you, while you're at it.
Now, please put your hands together for our final impersonator.
Calling out on Novus, watch me take it over. I'm flattered by your poses, but I ain't the original. You know I'm no phony, I'm the one and only. You think you can clone me, but I am the original. Hold tight, it's time for me to shine. So sit back and relax. Know that I'm the main highlight of the entire night. So pay attention and don't be fooled, 'cause you know I'm the truth. I'm the truth. You know you can't be anyone else, only you. Just be you. Calling out on Novus, watch me take it over. I'm flattered by your poses, but I ain't the original. You know I'm no phony, I'm the one and only. You think you can clone me, but I am the original. Calling out on Novus, watch me take it over. I'm flattered by your poses, but I am the original. You know I'm no phony, I'm the one and only. You think you can clone me, but I am the original. Can't replicate, only imitate. Gotta find your own way.
I was so careful to make the password something I'd remember.
I'm flattered by your poses, but I am the original. You know I'm no phony, I'm the one and
On
only.
the upside, though, great test of the Z3 defense matrix.
Calling out on Novus, watch me take it over. I'm flattered by your poses, but I am the original. You know I'm no phony, I'm the one and only. You think you can clone me, but I am the original.
And the winner of the trip aboard the real Jefferson spaceship is Nova 29.
Yes! Take me to the Jefferson!
Sorry, that was Nova 29?
I didn't win. No, I did.
Probably because I am so up on Nova's latest look.
You're really not.
Oh, I really am.
That's my spaceogram!
Hey guys, I just heard the real Nova is here in disguise. Let's go find her!
That phony is on my ship, Chef. Posting from my account. And I can't even win a competition at being myself. What do I do now?
Would all Novalites please refrain from dancing in the chocolate fountain? Thank you.
A fake McLaren? Wait, I know her. Hi. Don't lose your chill, but I'm Nova Jones. The real, the actual.
I know there was some confusion today, but
I know who you are.
Right. You're a big fan, obviously. So now you have to help me get out of here, back to my ship.
I have to. What if I don't want to?
What? But you're a McLaren.
I'm a McLaren fan. I'm not actually McLaren. Tell you what, if you could fix it for me to meet her in person, I'll get you back on your ship.
Fine, done. Though I don't understand why anyone would be a McLaren fan.
What can I say? I prefer the supportive, capable sister to the one who can't open doors. Ready? Come on.
Nearly there, Jimby. I've been staring at my screens for so long. We just need 100,000 tons of waterproof food. Apples? Apples! They're water resistant. I mean, my eyes are sorry. Anyway. Okay, Big J, we are done. I think. Let me check the spreadsheet. Yes, done! Thanks, Jimmy O'Kee. Nova Jones, your greatest hits concert complete with a unique under-the-sea theme and swimming lessons is organised!
Great. Thanks very much.
Nova never says thank you. What? You're not Nova?
Now you notice. I mean, yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Try a manual override.
How do we do that?